Hello friends, welcome to Exam Tricks, where you learn all sorts of vital general knowledge tricks. Today we are going to learn a trick to remember folk dances of three states of India: Andhra Pradesh, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. I'll be covering the total number of states alphabetically. I'm just starting with the states which start with A, okay? Andhra Pradesh, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Now we will learn the dances which are present in Andhra Pradesh. The dances are Kuchipudi, Kolattam. In Arunachal Pradesh, Bodo Cham. In Assam, Bihu, Jhumar Nach, Bagurumba, Ali Ai Ligang. Now learn it. I'll be formulating a sentence which will initially won't mean anything, but as you correlate that sentence with these dances and these places and read it twice or thrice, it will make sense, and it is really easy to remember a sentence in which something is happening, something curious is happening. Now the sentence is: Aruna boarded bus, Ali jumped with the bag in Assam and killed by KO. Suppose Aruna is someone who is really very powerful person, and Ali, when Ali saw Aruna boarding the bus, he had enmity with Aruna, and he jumped suddenly in that from that bus in Assam, and he had a bag with him. So Aruna boarded bus, Ali jumped with the bag in Assam and killed by KO. So Ali got killed by KO. Again I am reading the sentence: Aruna boarded bus, Ali jumped with the bag in Assam and killed by KO. Now I have used the word killed because the peculiar this sentence will be, the easier it will be for you to remember it. So make it, let your wild horses run. Make sentences which are strange and you will remember the information very easily. Now let me decode this sentence and everything will make sense to you. Now here Aruna will mean Arunachal Pradesh, boarded Bodo Cham. Now Bodo and boarded seem similar, so Aruna boarded bus will cover Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Now in the second sentence we have Ali jumped with bag in Assam. Here Ali will represent Ali Ai Ligang, jumped will represent Jhumar Nach, with bag will represent Bagurumba in Assam. So second sentence will cover Assam. The third sentence is and killed by KO, and will represent Andhra Pradesh, killed Kuchipudi, K for killed, K for Kuchipudi, by KO, knockout. You know that KO is a short form of knockout. So KO also, the two words, two letters of Kolattam is also KO. So if you go to the explanation twice or thrice, and if you read that sentence twice or thrice and reconnect or realign all the information, you will remember the name of the dance forms present in these three states. I'll be making similar videos in which you will be learning tricks to remember the name of the dance forms of the other states. Subscribe to our channel, and in the coming days or in the coming hours I'll be making more videos to remember the important dance forms of India. These are the local dance forms, and why it is important to remember these dance forms? It is important because nowadays these types of questions are being asked. In UPSC 2014 there was a question. If you would have gone through this video earlier, or if I would have made this video earlier, you would have scored in that question. So subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.